Hi there, hoteliers, AI explorers, and hospitality rock stars. Let me ask you something. When was the last time your hotel team truly wowed a guest? Like, really created one of those Instagram worthy moments they couldn't stop raving about? Yeah, I thought so. Today, we are diving into how to transform your hotel team into customer engagement legends using a mix of people first strategies, clever digital tools, and a little secret hotel sauce. And hey, stick around till the end because I'm offering a free 60-minute AI consultation to spark your team's next big breakthrough. Sounds good? Let's roll. Let's face it, today's guests, they are not just booking a bed anymore. They are booking a story. They are booking an emotion. They are booking a moment. They are booking an experience they will remember forever. But here is the problem: your team is burned out, tech is overwhelming, and customer expectations through the roof. So, how do we fix that? We don't throw another app at it. We reimagine how your team connects with guests today with the right mindset, digital tools, and a whole lot of fun. Let's call this the pain to power journey, where resistance turns into results. Our first stop is going to be discovery mode. We zoom in on what really is going on in your hotel. Are your guests being truly heard today? Is your team energized or just surviving? Are your tech tools helping or just slowing things down for your hotel? This is where we get real, my friends, with data, guest feedback, and even your team's body language. Why? Because transformation doesn't start with tech, it starts with truth and transparency. So I want you to drop in the comments below what is one area your hotel struggles with right now. And be honest, I might drop a quick tip just for your hotel. And now we're coming to the fun part: designing a game plan for your hotel with digital transformation and AI. And we don't just talk at your team, we are co creating and collaborating with them. We start asking questions like, what would make your job 10 times more joyful? What does a perfect guest moment feels like for you? What tech actually feels natural for you? And so on. And then we from there we build energized workshops, real life guest scenarios, and fun team challenges and ongoing rewards, all designed to create a vibe where employees feels like heroes, not just like workers. Now imagine a front desk aiding getting a standing ovation from their guests. That's the energy we are now going to bring to the table. Now, we don't stop after the workshops. We review your hotel's key performance indicators like employee sentiments, guest satisfactions, response times, and engagement trends on an ongoing basis, because this is not a a static process. This is a dynamic and extremely flexible process. And from there, we fine tune your hotel's strategy like a five-star chef plating the perfect dessert. And together, we will create a fully customized customer engagement playbook for your hotel's digital transformation and AI. And we will do it in a context with your hotel branding values, and this will be a step by step process that will fit your unique hotel and your unique values and your unique community and your unique customer segments. This is not theory. This is going to be the roadmap to your hotel's wow moment. Now, here is the key and the big message behind this process. AI does not replace people, it empowers them. And empowered teams plus smart technology equals legendary guest experiences today. That's just reality. But we have to understand how to use this in the right context. And that's what we're going to create in collaboration with each other. So stop thinking of digital transformation and AI as a burden. It is actually your hotel's secret upgrade. Just like surprising your favorite guest with a penthouse suite. Let's build something together that your guests will never forget with less stress, more joy, and a splash of digital brilliance. Now, my friends, I want to get into something really unique and extraordinary. I want to help your hotel with turning ordinary moments into unforgettable moments. And that goes for every employee in every moment, at every touch point they come in contact with your hotel's guests. And to achieve this, I have put together for you a free 60-minute AI consultation. And this is designed to help you make your hotel team unstoppable. And you will find the links in the description below. Make sure you make click that link and reserve your spot because it will fill up fast. And hey, if this video helped you, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel AI Hospitality Insight. Make sure you share this most definitely with your team and drop a hotel emoji in the comments if you're ready to reimagine engagement at your hotel. Let's turn the ordinary into unforgettable in collaboration. I'll see you in the next episode, Hospitality Heroes. Take care.